Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how we can configure an NTP server and an NTP client on Cisco Packet Tracer. So firstly we'll see if the server is pingable from here, from the client where we are going to set up. So our server is 10.0.0.2 and it's pingable. Now we have to configure the NTP service on the server, which I already did. We have turned the service on and enable the authentication. The key that I'll be using is key 3 and the password that I'll be using is CBA. Now, to configure it on the client, which is our router, we have to type the commands, which is NTP authentication key. Our key number is 3 and so we'll be using MD5 authentication mechanism. Our password would be CBA and our key encryption type would be anything between 0 to this number. So I'll be using any random number, which is 100. So next step is to type in the command, which is trusted key, which is our trusted key here is number 3. Next we have to update the calendar as well as per the NTP server. Now we have to give the server address, which is 10.0.0.2. The key we are using is 3. That's it. And finally we are going to give the command to authenticate. Now it will take some time to configure and show us the correct time, because associations between server and the client take some time because of the authentication we are using. If we'll disable our the authentication from here, it won't take that much time, but now it's like taking much more time. So we can ask router to show us the status, which is unsynchronized right now, you can see, and there won't be any NTP associations as of now. Oh, I think that is synchronized right now. So it's taking some time to authenticate. We can see if our clock is showing the correct time. NTP server is at 30th April 10:23, but our client is still at wrong time. So we can see the configurations once again if there is something wrong with it. The key we are using is 3. The password was correct. The trusted key is 3. The server is correct. Server is pingable. Let's ask the router to authenticate once again. Yeah, so it has changed its time now. So you can see the clock is synchronized as of now. And if we can see the clock here, and the calendar is updated as well. So in this way you can configure the NTP client with authentication, and authentication we use here is MD5. So that's all. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.